Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Today we will start our second lesson, Fun with Numbers. We have already discussed about this topic in my previous video. We have discussed about place value, face value, expansion of 3-digit number. Before starting any new things, let's revise them first. Let's start with digit. What do you understand by digit? Any of the numerals from 0 to 9 is known as digit. If we'll take some example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the 10 digits we use in everyday numerals or numbers. If we take another example, there is a number written here that is made up of 3 digits. Those are 1, 2 and 3. Now let's see the difference between and the relation between number and the digit. Okay, what do you understand by numbers? A digit is a single numerical symbol from 0 to 9, which we have already discussed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And a number is a string of one or more digits. Okay, it means when one or more than one digit combine in a systematic manner to form a number. If we take some example, here it has been written, if you take a one digit number, then we have many numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are called one digit number because at that number only one digit is present. Now if we take some two digit number, the example has been given is 12. In 12 there is two digits are there. First one is 1 and the second one is 2. So in this number, if you will take an example of 3-digit number, then this is a number here. In this number there are 3 digits are there. First one is 1, second one is 2, third one is 3. Okay, like this, if you want to take a 4-digit number, the number has been written here. There are 4 digits are there. Those are 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 digits are combined in a systematic manner to form this number. So one digit number contains only one digit, two digit number contain only two digits. Like here we have 1 and 2, and 3-digit number contain 3 digit. Like here we have 1 and 2 and 3, and 4-digit number contains 4 digit, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's do some activity. Look at this picture. Identify who is. Yes, you are right. This is Sachin Tendulkar, the god of cricket. Can you say what he is doing in this picture? Yes, he is celebrating after scoring a century. Now tell me, what do you understand by century or 100? Let's find out. When we talk about numbers, it starts with one digit number. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, 8, 9, up to 9, these are the one digit number. After that, two digit number will come like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like this it will continue up to 98, 99, and after 99, 100 number will come. Okay, this is called century or 100. This is the smallest 3-digit number. Let's find out which digits are there in this number. First one is 1, second one is 0, third one is also 0. So these 3 digits make the number 300. Okay, let's take another example. There is another after 100, the next number will 101. This has also 3 digits. Those are, first one is 1, second one is 0 and third one is again 1. We had already discussed about 3-digit number in a video. You can watch it also. Now let's go into the flashback of class 2. Okay. Let's take an example of 2-digit number. We know that there are two places of 2-digit number. Those are tens and ones. There is a number that is 73. In this number, how many tens are there? 7 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 3 ones are there. When we expand it, it will become 70 plus 3. 7 tenths means when you add 7 tenths it will become 70, and when you add 3 ones it will become 3. So the expanded form of 73 will be 70 plus 3. We know how to extend a 2-digit number and how to read it. When you expand it, then the 73 number will be easy to read. Okay, so 10 ones make 1 tenths. We have known it in class 2. And in case of 3-digit number, 10 tenths make 100. Let's see it in details. 1 tenths equal to 10 ones, and 100 equal to 10 tenths. Okay, now let's see in details how 1 tenths equal 10 ones equal to 1 tenths. Okay, there are 10 triangles are there. Each one carries 1 1 1 1 1. So 10 ones are there. When we add first one and second one, 1 plus 1 will become 2. Then second one and third one, 2 plus 1 will become 3. Then when we add 3 plus 1, then it will become 4. Then when we add 4 plus 1, it will become 5. When we add 5 plus 1, it will become 6. When we add 6 plus 1, it will become 7. When we add 7 plus 1, it will become 8. When we will add 8 plus 1, it will become 9. When we will add 9 plus 1, it will become 10. Okay, so like this, 1 tenth equal to 10 ones. Similarly, we can prove that 100 equal to 10 tenths. When you add 10 times, then it will become 100. Hence, we have just proved that, as we know, 10 ones make a tens. Like this way, 10 tens forms a 100. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will make, when we add 10 times 1, then it will make tens. And when we add 10 times tens, then it will make 100. Now let's try to read 3-digit number. Before reading, we have to learn to expand the number. We already knew that a 2-digit number have two places, that is tens and ones. But in case of 3-digit number, there are three places. It has also one place extra, that is called 100. We can also write them in short form HTO. H stand for 100, T stand for tens, O stand for ones. First of all, let's try to expand any 3-digit number. Then we will write numbers in words. Now let's take an example. In this combination of digit, 3 is being placed in 100 position, and 2 is being placed in tens position, 9 is being placed in ones position. So when we talk about place value, here the place value of 3 is 300, and place value of 2 is 220, and place value of 9 is 9 only. So when we write in expansion form, 300 plus 20 plus 9. Let's take another example. We know there are three places are there, 100, tens and ones. We will take another example of combination of 3-digit number. Here 2 is being placed in the position of 100, 8 is being placed in the position of tens, 4 is being placed on the position of ones. So place value of 2 is 200, place value of 8 is 80, and place value of 4 is 4. So now let's take another example. In this number, 7 is being placed in the position of 100, 5 is being placed in the position of tens, and 2 is being placed in the position of ones. So the place value of 7 is 700, the place value of 5 is 50, and the place value of 2 is, it will remain same, exactly 2. Now we have discussed about the expansion form, how to expand any 3-digit number. Now let's find out how to read it or write it in what. Whenever you are writing any 3-digit number into words, first step should be expansion of the number. Let's take a number. This is a combination of 3 digits. When you expand it, the first find out that first digit, what is the place value of first digit. Here the first digit was 3 and it's placed in the position of 100. So the place value of 3 is 300 and the second digit is 6 and the place value of 6 is 60 and the place value of 5 is 5 itself. So when we'll try to read this number, first one is 300, second one is 60 and third one is 5. Just join these three words, these three boxes and complete the word of the number 365. Now let's do another. Here let's take another number. This is another number which we have got. And what is the place value of 1 here? The place value is being placed in the position of 100, so place value of 1 is 100. In the case of 2, 2 is being placed in the position of 10, so the place value of 2 is 20. And 3 is placed in the position of 1, so the place value of 3 is 3. So it will be written as first one is 100, second one is 20, and third one is, okay, just it's my mistake, last one is 3. Okay, when we join these three box, it will be 123. Like this we can find out the words of any 3-digit number. We can convert the numbers into words. Okay, like this you can do. These two columns has been given to you. In column A the numbers has been written, in column B the words has been written for the number. Let's do one. Okay, first one we have 3 number. The first digit is 3 and second digit is 6, third digit is 5. So 3 is being placed in the position of 100, 6 is being placed in the position of tens, and 5 is being placed in the position of 1. So it will be 365. Just join them. Come to the second one. In this number, 4 is being placed in the position of 100, 7 is being placed in the position of tens, and 6 is being placed in the position of ones. So it will be 476. Just join them. Rest 2 you have to do it by yourself. Okay, and just do it in your copy. Now let's see another question. Here also you have to convert the number into words, and we have done this before also, but this time you have to do it in the copy, in your maths copy. And you have to do some extra tasks also from your book, page number 16, 18 and 19. In those pages the questions are related to this concept only, so I think no one will face any kind of problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp. If you want to know more clearance of this concept, you can also watch the video from the given link below. And thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.